So a couple of days ago, my friend texted me and she was like, you want to go bowling? And I was like, oh my God, yes. But then last night at 1 a.m., my mom asked me, what are you going to wear when you go bowling? And I was like, I don't have the slightest clue. I thought for hours and I had no idea what I was going to wear. So I texted my friend, I was like, what you gonna wear tomorrow? And she was like, my new Jordans. But you gonna go naked? Elaborate, what with the Jordans? So I was like, what are you gonna wear with the Jordans? And she was like, I don't know, I haven't thought about that yet. So I texted her sister, I was like, what are you gonna wear tomorrow? And she was like, I have a stomachache. And I was like, I understand I'm the influencer here, but I do not have enough influence on my brain. I need help. So there I was, bowling in a white dress, looking like a runaway bride. And in that moment, I knew there's people like me out there who need outfit inspiration. Good outfit inspiration. And that's why I'm here. I finally got a hold of my brain. I sat down, I came up with some outfits, and that's why you're here today, because you read the video title.
We keep seeing that
The first thing you're going to take away from this video, I'm not good at doing voiceovers, so just put up with me. And the second thing, when you cannot layer, accessorize. So with this simple sweater, I added some sunglasses and a watch because that just adds the detail. Switch out from the sweater into a white shirt, tuck it in so that we can differentiate between the torso and the legs, add a belt, add some sandals, and that's the detail. Keeping the white casual everyday shirt, we're going to switch out into some gray khaki pants. Once again, tuck it in, add some necklaces, add your big hoe hoops, and you look so cute. You can try rolling up the pants if they're too big for you. That looks cute, but do not tuck out the shirt. That looks ridiculous. Moving on to a fashion experiment that failed, I look absolutely ridiculous. But if you still feel like it, you want to wear a half-sleeved shirt with another shirt underneath, instead get yourself one of these tiny collars. They are a game changer. Look at me looking old money. If I were prettier, I would have actually pulled this off. Another classic is an all one color outfit or a denim on denim outfit. Get a hat, look cute. Also follow me on Instagram. I literally stole my grandfather's sweater for this. Get your grandfather's sweater, add a teddy bear to it. It's super cute. Another way to style a sweater is on a less hot day over an actual shirt. And I honestly feel like that's kind of cute. Like, look at those oversized pants and like being able to see just a tiny bit of the shoe. It just gives you such feels, such vibes. It's a vibe in itself. Not for everyone, but for a lot of people. For me. Or another note, take off that sweater. Just the white shirt. Does it look cute? In my head it did, in reality it doesn't. Get your uniform pants, add a bandana. Suddenly you're a Girl Scout. It's cute, you have to admit, it is cute. The third thing, if you take away from this video, is to understand color palette. Just because a thing fits the color palette does not mean it fits the outfit. So sometimes it's a good decision to change your jacket. Now on to my favorite piece of clothing, leather pants. I absolutely adore this look. The green sweater, the black bag, the black shoes, everything about this is my favorite. I love this. Moving on, I thought it would be good to do like a very traditional white on khaki, but I had to stick with the leather pants. They're just so adorable. Tie a knot at the bottom of the shirt to add some detail. Add some sandals. Look at that. That is so casual. You literally look like you're going to a picnic. Now, if you happen to live on one of those parts of the world where it's never summer, the one thing you can take away from this video is layering. It's the most beautiful thing. And look at that. You're ready for bowling, scrolling, trolling. Don't troll. But if you're gonna do it, look cute while you do it. Look at that. So pretty. I am sweating and I am dying. So that was it for this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give me a like. Also comment below and let me know what other outfits or what other videos you would like to see from me. I have been making shorts for a good old while now, and I feel like now I want to do content like the one I was doing on shorts. I want to do that in longer format videos, and on shorts I would like do more like transitions and stuff. So I hope this goes well. I hope we become a big family and we just have like 10 million of us there. Like, why not? We are fully capable. So let me know your recommendations in the comments. And yeah, that is it. I'm the only Elinef Fox in this world, and I would love you so much if you subscribe, leave a comment, and give me whatever you have to say. That's it, and bye!